Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So on this video, I would like to let you know how I grew my YouTube channel. And when I started posting videos on YouTube at first, it felt very discouraging and sad because I could post video for just a day with no views, for a month with no views for that same particular video. I realized that this was just time wasting. How can I post a video for almost a month and it has no view count? How come? So I realized that it's better I give up. But I also realized that giving up wasn't going to solve my problem, but rising up was going to solve it. So I kept on posting consistently. I kept on posting, and suddenly one day I hit 1k views on my short video. So the next day I also hit that same 1k view on that same another shot I made. So when I kept on posting, there was new improvement in my view count, and then I started growing up my YouTube channel, and I started getting subscribers because at first I wasn't getting not just a single view. I could just for a month I could just get one view, and that one view was that same me watching my own video. That was very discouraging. And just imagine not getting views. How can you get subscribers, or how can you even grow your channel? So the best and simple way to solve this problem is to keep posting and never think to quit or give up, but then keep trying your hand on different things. So when I started posting, I kept trying my hands on different niches, different content that made me know that particular or specific content that the algorithm must have needed at that time. And now I've been able to grow my YouTube channel. I've been able to surpass 1k subscribers, and it would be very good if you follow my trend of growing your channel. Don't be deceived by other content creators by doing this, by doing that, and by doing this. You have to just depend and rely on your own self. Try a hand on different kind of niches. You can try a hand on gaming, entertainment, gospel, and comedy. There are a lot of niches around you could have or carry out a research on and try your hands on. And don't be discouraged by certain comments you get by your audience, because sometimes you could come across a comment that could just discourage you and make you feel like quitting YouTube. But don't be discouraged. Sometimes even the comment on your YouTube tab just even help you to just reach another audience, or just keep your view count going. So don't be discouraged by certain comments you get by your audience, but just keep on doing what is expected. And I think doing that is going to help grow your channel. Don't be deceived by any content creator by doing this, by paying this amount, and that's just something that's not going to help. Just rely on your own self. So if you are able to rely on your own self, then by then you'll be able to grow your YouTube channel. Thank you very much.